Hello students, coming to the last session of the chapter heterocyclic compounds, you will learn about fused heterocyclic compounds with suitable examples, then preparation of indole by Fischer's method, then nitration of indole and preparation of quinoline by Scrobb's synthesis and its nitration. Fused heterocyclic compounds have seen in the introduction and classification of heterocyclic compounds. We have already seen that heterocyclic compounds can be classified based on the number of atoms in the ring. And one of the classification is fused heterocyclic compounds, where there will be two or more rings fused with one another. An example also you would have learned, that is indole. This is one heterocyclic compound, one fused heterocyclic compound, indole, where the pyrrole ring is fused to benzene ring. When pyrrole and benzene rings are fused, we get the heterocyclic compound indole. Then quinoline, where pyridine and benzene are fused. Then isoquinoline, again pyridine, but the position of fusing of benzene is different, and this is the structure of isoquinoline. So you can give three examples for fused heterocyclic compounds, which are indole, quinoline and isoquinoline. Now, how can we prepare indole? By a non-method, indole can be prepared. That is Fischer's synthesis of indole or Fischer-indole synthesis. Here, phenyl hydrazine of pyruvic acid is heated with zinc chloride catalyst, which gives indole 2-carboxylic acid, which is decarboxylated by heating with soda lime to get indole. Phenyl hydrazine of pyruvic acid means what? Phenyl hydrazine we get when a carbonyl compound combines with phenyl hydrazine. So here, which is the carbonyl compound? The carbonyl compound is pyruvic acid, that is CH3COCOOH. If it is CH3COOH, we call it as acetic acid. If there is one more carbonyl group in between CH3 and carboxyl group, we call it as pyruvic acid. So the carbonyl compound is pyruvic acid, and this is combining with phenyl hydrazine, and the addition product is termed as phenyl hydrazine. So this is the phenyl hydrazine of pyruvic acid. This is heated in the presence of a catalyst, zinc chloride. There will be elimination of one molecule of ammonia, and we get indole 2-carboxylic acid. This is indole 2-carboxylic acid, which on decarboxylated just by heating with soda lime, we get indole. So this is the preparation method of indole by Fischer's method or Fischer's synthesis of indole. Now, what will happen when indole is nitrated? I told you already, indole is having a structure where a pyrrole ring is fused to benzene ring. So pyrrole on nitration, where does the incoming nitro group goes? It will go to the second position. Though there is a chance of going to the third position also, it will more prefer the second position of pyrrole. But this is not the case in the case of indole. When indole is nitrated by heating with nitroethane and sodium ethoxide mixture, it undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction to give 3-nitroindole. The nitro group enters at the third position. There are certain examples where the nitro group enters at the second position of indole also, but by changing the nitrating agent. So if this is the nitrating agent, that is sodium ethoxide in presence of ethyl nitrate, then the nitro group prefers the third position of indole, and we get 3-nitroindole. Now, quinoline, the second fused heterocyclic compound is quinoline. How can we synthesize or how can we prepare quinoline? Aniline is reacted with glycerol, concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene and ferrous sulfate, quinoline, is obtained. So the reacting species are glycerol, concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene, and ferrous sulfate, quinoline, is obtained. This reaction is termed as Krebs synthesis. In simple equation, you can just show aniline on the reactant side and all other thing you can write on the arrow, and on the product side you can show quinoline. So aniline, an arrow, above the arrow glycerol, concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene. These are the three important reactant which will play a key role. On heating, we get the compound quinoline. Now, what is the role of all these compounds? First of all, glycerol will be dehydrated in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid. So, concentrated sulfuric acid is the dehydrating agent, and we get acrolein. The species which we get on dehydration of glycerol is acrolein. This acrolein on combination with aniline, we get an addition product. This addition product on cyclization with the removal of water molecule, again on dehydration, we get a 1,2-dihydroquinoline. 1,2, there is no double bond here. It means there are hydrogen atoms here on the first and second position. So we can name it as 1,2-dihydroquinoline. So what we should do to get quinoline? We have to create a double bond here. How can we create a double bond here? We have to remove the extra hydrogen atoms. The removal of hydrogen is termed as oxidation. So this oxidation can be done using nitrobenzene. So this 1,2-dihydroquinoline on oxidation in presence of nitrobenzene, we get quinoline. So this is Krebs synthesis of quinoline, where aniline is reacted with glycerol, concentrated sulfuric acid, nitrobenzene and ferrous sulfate, then quinoline is obtained. This reaction can be termed as Krebs-quinoline synthesis. Now, what will happen when quinoline is nitrated? Again, electrophilic substitution reaction. What are the positions where the quinoline is nitrated? Then we should understand what is the number of each carbon atom in quinoline. Of course, the nitrogen will take place the first position, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then the bridge carbons will be 9 and 10. 9 and 10. So first 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then bridge carbons 9 and 10. So electrophilic substitution reaction occurs in position 5 and 8 of quinoline. It occupies the 5th position as well as 8th position of quinoline. Treatment of quinoline with nitrating mixture results in 5 and 8 nitroquinolines. However, when the mixture is treated with zirconium nitrate, only 8 nitroquinoline is obtained as the major product. So, there are chances for occupying both 5th and 8th position by the incoming electrophile. It depends on the nitrating agent, the nitration agent. When we nitrate quinoline using normal nitrating mixture in equal quantity, we get 5 nitroquinoline as well as 8 nitroquinoline. Whereas if the nitrating agent is zirconium nitrate, then we get only 8 nitroquinoline as the major product. So students, in this last session of heterocyclic compounds, you have understood about heterocyclic compound, fused heterocyclic compound, example for fused heterocyclic compounds, method of preparation of indole and quinoline, then how the product vary on nitration in indole, quinoline with those we are doing with 5-membered heterocyclic compounds.